Yo, Trades by Easel here. So just doing our daily review for Wednesday. This morning we did get a successful 5-minute orb trade. Started the morning off from open with some consolidation. Consolidated here for about 40 minutes before we got our fair value gap with displacement outside the 5-minute orb. Green box will always be my 5-minute, and the purple is the highs and lows of the 15-minute orb. I do like to trade both of them. So today we entered with 5 contracts. We had our limit order set up here to sell 4 at 2 to 1 with a runner. I wanted to bias today was to take some of this buy side liquidity from yesterday's crazy afternoon session, but we hit point of control from the last 5 days of session and we had a sell off. I did move my stop loss to break even on that last runner. Um, During the time, I felt that I would risk giving back $60 on the runner to make 100 to 200 if we would continue up, but price action didn't give that to us today. I did want to point something out to you because this is a pretty good example of why I always enter at the formation of the fair value gap instead of waiting for the retest. A lot of people like to trade the orb, something of this sort, where we break the orb, we come back and we retest it, the fair value gap, which is absolutely a great way to do the orb. I've been doing it long enough that I feel confident taking the form of the fair value gap. Yes, I will take more losses this way. Uh, Having the retest is far better confirmation. But I've done this long enough that I've missed a lot of moves waiting for this retest that I enter as soon as we form. And I have my risk management in place to survive the losses. So that is Wednesday. This week is shaping up pretty good, especially for P&L, but I am more focused on following the trade plan, less mistakes, and that's kind of where I'm more focused on. Absolutely, the P&L is great to have and great to look at. But for long-term success, the important stuff is making sure that we lock in on the things we can here. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We will be back at it tomorrow, and we will see if we get a setup. Tomorrow is some news, so I will probably enter with 3 micros instead of 5 tomorrow. Would like to finish this week off strong, and I certainly don't want to get nuked in the morning um, as we wait for news to come out. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Regardless, win, loss, break even, we'll be here to show you how the day went. Take care.